Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels. Today we have the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35GT-RR Ver.2. This is the longest name of a car I've ever seen, besides one of those Formula 2 Gen E cars from 2021. But this is a 2021 casting. Liberty Walk we got there. That's the sponsor of this car. Pretty popular sponsor. Number 204 of 250 for 2021. And it's from the Hot Wheels J Import Series. Number 8 of 10. We got it in this nice blue color. Nissan GTR. GRX 63 is the number. I have another one of these on a mint package. This package is not mint. Some stuff wrong with this packaging. Just on the edge there, we got a little bit of tear right there. But this is a really cool casting. This has some sweet details. Love it. It has the black J5 wheels and LBWK on the side, Liberty Walk. And it has number 12 on the side there. Hot Wheels sponsor, Liberty Walk with a black stripe. Cool casting. Loving the side tampos. And the front I especially love. See that right there. Beautiful car. Look at the front there. We've got the GTR symbol right there. This is the second GTR they've made this year. And we got the headlights from the interior windshield. Same deal on the other side. Beautiful car. Taillights, we got painted taillights. I love it. I love this casting. Just because it's got painted headlights, painted taillights, and painted decals on the side. You can see that there. Spoiler, Hot Wheels license plate, detailed rear end. Love the lights. Just a beautiful casting. This is a new for 2021 Hot Wheels. LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35GT-RR Ver.2. Made in Malaysia with a 2020 casting copyright. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.